Alright. So officially starting to pack. This is all I'm taking for clothes, other than my pajamas. And I still have to put a dress in there and then like my undergarments. But this is 2 months worth of clothes in my carry-on. So hopefully I don't have to go buy things when I get there. But the room is a mess because, you know, packing for 2 months is really hard. But my sweet, sweet small group got me this last night. Ooh. And it's a travel journal. It says, "Take me anywhere." And then it look how cute this is. And it has places for me to write. And this one says, "Escape the ordinary." Definitely doing that this summer. Explore the unseen. It has these like little pockets. How cute is that? I'm so excited. And then they wrote me notes. And then they got me this Bible. And it's like an evangelism Bible. So you go to the first one and it highlights verses that you can use when evangelizing. And then it just has 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. So it's like the Roman roads kind of. And like the order that you usually talk about them. And then they got me cute pens for this summer. So how cute is that? So I'll be packing that as well. So, and then Jess, bestie Jess, shout out, got me this luggage tag. It's from Guatemala. Ooh, really cute luggage tag. There we go. Style made with love. And it just has really pretty colors and patterns. So I'll be using that as well. So yeah, that is what's happening right now. I have so much to do, so little time. Alright, I finally finished packing. This is all I'm taking. And honestly, most of it's just snacks in here. Like, that's all food. The entire backpack. So, raise your hand if you're surprised. Not I. But yeah. Just finished packing for Europe. I leave on Friday. Today is Monday. And I'm like super pumped about it. So first, thank you to everyone who's contributed to my trip. Thank you for financially contributing. I'm still fundraising. If anyone would like to Venmo me, or you know, if you see me before Friday, just give me a check or cash or something. I'm about $1,000 short from being fully funded, which I would really, really appreciate any funds that could come through this week. So that, and just keep us in your prayers over the summer. Just pray for unity for our team, for good health, and just for people to feel and see God's love this summer in Europe. I'm really excited. We had our last team meeting dinner thing last night, and we just got to pray together, worship together, and really just got to get to know each other better. And I'm just so excited, and it's going to be so much fun. So stay tuned for video updates if you're interested in following along through Europe this summer and getting to hear kind of the testimonies and stories that we're going to go through. I'll keep you updated. So once again, have a great week. Last week of school. Yay! I'm really going to miss my babies, but I'm also super excited for this summer. So have a wonderful day.